So, hello, I'm back once again. Literally, I streamed like maybe 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. So literally, I'm back. Yeah, I deleted that local recording, and I don't care about the stream. I will leave it online until it will expire, no problem with that. Anyway, so I'm back once again. Hello to my not so new, not so old Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD version with the NVIDIA discrete graphics GPU 3070, the mobile version of course, running PikaOS 4, GNOME 49.2, and I'm just checking out today a little bit of the progress that I did with customizing the system, installing my applications and so on, as well as of course the quality recording for the local recording, and of course the quality of the streaming on Twitch service. I'm using on OBS, as I will show you, the software settings, the X264, and hopefully everything seems and sounds fine. Although I have still a lot of work to do with the system, it's a nice try so far. And before we continue, let me show you the system specs. Here we are. As it says here, PikaOS 4, Legion 5 Pro, GNOME 49.2, forgot to say, yes, Wayland, it's Wayland. And this is the CPU and GPU, AMD Ryzen 7 5800. It must be 8 core 16 threads, hence the 16 there. And the GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile Max-Q. The system has 60 gigabytes of RAM and about a terabyte of internal storage. And I must say that all things considered, the system is, how can I say this? It performs well. It's not like Void Linux or Endeavour OS, at least in my opinion, with XFCE, and that's to be expected of course. But yeah, still for a GNOME installation and the age of the system and the hardware of the system, it performs pretty well. So as you can see here, I have removed how the GNOME was behaving basically. I have separated the DAS and or the dock, however you want to call it, the one that has the GNOME has on the bottom of the screen when you go on the application overview like this. So it's more closer to the way I like to use any system really. I have this dock on the left side, and up here the top menu bar. And here, as you can see, I have this menu. It has, you know, like sort of like the other systems that I've shown you in the past. It has the applications in here. It has the settings, restart, and all that. And also, as I like to do, you can do math, 20 plus 20, for example. Good stuff in my opinion. And here on the top right corner you can see the date, the time, the weather, and other utilities for the system. And so far, as I said, the system performs pretty well, pretty snappy, no problem whatsoever. Expose for this screen, expose for all the screens, workspaces, however you want to call them. And up here, perfect. No problem at all. And I have done a little bit of customization for the shortcut keys, for example. This is my files manager, and it's As you can see, I've already customized the system with my preferred theme, and I've also placed the wallpapers changing every minute or so. You know, as you have seen, for those you have seen my previous streams and videos on the YouTube, this is mostly how I like to work with the system. And of course, Vivaldi browser, it's my default browser for the past, I don't know, a few weeks, maybe a month now. Love it. And yeah, I think I showed you the other day, but I don't recall, so I will do it again. This is an application that the system uses after the first launch, and it says show on startup. I have unchecked this for my case. Anyway, this comes online after you first boot up the system, and it has a few extra setup steps that you may need to do or want to do even. And as you can see here, I have installed a few extra stuff like patented media codecs and libraries, as it says here, PikaOS game utilities like Steam, Lutris, etc. And of course few applications like Kdenlive, Krita, LibreOffice, OBS Studio. And some of these applications work like no problem with my theme, but others are being stubborn, and I'm not sure if I will be able to solve this issue, at least with this theme, but we will see. And yeah, so back to OBS. As you can see here, I'm using, as I said, the software encoding, software X264 for the stream, and the same thing for the recording, X264, as it says on the video encoder for the recording. Other than that, it's a full HD quality stream, and yeah. So let's open up a few applications like the files. I have this tile thing here, I like it a lot. So either I do this and I place the app here. I have already here the terminal open. This is the Vivaldi browser, and I will open up a few more apps like this. This is the GNOME tweaks. This is the system settings. This is the volume control. This is basically system resources. This is a nice Flatpak app. I prefer it pretty much compared to the system monitor that the system has. I like it. This is a normal calculator, of course. This is the text editor. And oops. I was working on this, and yeah, I will return to this at some other time. I will leave it for now like this. No need to confuse any further, any longer. Back to Audacity, GIMP. As you can see, the system is quite snappy and all that. Let me open up an image that I was working. This one, for example. This is from yesterday's stream. Kdenlive. Yeah, as you can see, no problem at all. Expose, boom. Expose, boom. No problem whatsoever. Now go right ahead and and what a good moment. Look at this beast. It's from the great film Batman v Superman. If you haven't watched it, watch it. And this is Batman. Ben Affleck's Batman. Anyway, I don't want to geek out too much, but yeah, if you haven't watched this film, watch it. And what can I say? I have already done a rant video about Cosmic. This version of PikaOS 4 has been rock solid so far, no problem, no whatsoever, no issues. It does what I wanted to do, except, as I said, the theming. For example, if you noticed, Kdenlive still ignores me, and we will see. Anyway, I think that's it. I've already wasted plenty of your time for today. Besides, this is the second stream. The other recording I just deleted it, and this will be the one that I will put on my YouTube channel. I think it's much better and more deserving for the work that I have done with the system so far. But yeah, if you have a similar configured system, few years old, like, I don't know, maybe, I don't remember, I'm getting older and I don't remember. This one, let's just do a quick search. Never know, it cannot be that difficult to find, right? My bad, I pressed the wrong shortcut. I will do this and be done with it. So this one, Lenovo. Let's see, it's a few years old, but I don't recall how old. Let's just put the graphics as well. 3070. No, this cannot be, is it? Okay, this could actually be it. Strange, do they sell it to this day? I didn't even know that it was possible. But anyway, this is an online store that sells the system, apparently, to this date, which is surprising to me. And it's quite, I don't know, expensive for nowadays. I can't see a date. Let's go to another web page, maybe this one. Okay, this is another store. My kind of luck, but at least they don't sell it. Maybe the others weren't selling it either. Let me forgot to do this. Yeah, getting plenty of hits, but never mind, I will use let's use this one. And who knows, DeepSeek, baby. Yeah, okay. 2021. Yeah, not so bad, but yeah, great system. It has served me well all these years. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.